Oh, okay. Look at what we got here.
Look what has arrived.
An iPhone 13.
Correct.
Let's get unboxing.
Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side, and we also got our 13 Pro clear case and a MagSafe charger. We'll put that to the side. And now we're unboxing this. You can pull one tab. I'll pull this one right here.
Okay, now let's open up this beauty.
The moment of truth. I've been waiting so long for this.
What the?
Are you seeing this? I've never held a phone newer than my 10R before.
Do you see the thickness on this?
Real.
Wow.
Oh man.
Okay, let's see how many Apple stickers. Really generous. How many Apple stickers? Here we go. We got.
We should have one probably.
We got this thing. We got an instruction key or whatever.
We got our SIM ejector tool, which we'll need that.
We got this, and we got one Apple sticker.
Very good. One Apple sticker, and we got our USB-C. And also, shout out to our extra camera angle here. I'll take this out because.
How in the world is this even possible? Do you not see the thickness on that? Like, that's some thick.
It's so beautiful, man. I've never held this before.
Now,
okay, so we're gonna put this in the box, and
now let's grab this so we can put it in the case. Let's go. Here we go. Okay.
And I'll take a look at the MagSafe charger we got here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Okay, now let's.
Wait a second. Look at the charger here.
Oh. It connects like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so
let's open this up.
So this is the case, everybody. This is the double angle, double camera angle. This is the case. It's a beauty of a case.
Oh, yeah.
It's clear.
Watch it click in.
Wow.
It should click on the phone too.
Wow.
Magnets inside. Okay, you ready?
Here we go.
Moment of truth.
Does it work?
Oh, we got it, baby.
Look at the thickness of this thing.
I can't believe. I have no words. I have no words. Take a look there.
It's on. Oh, it's doing another animation.
Let's see. We got the hello animation in different languages, as you can see right there. So we're gonna open it up. Okay,
English.
So first we got the setup here. English, Canada, quick start. Okay, so let me get my iPhone out to bring it nearby. And open this up. Oh, okay. And now we're gonna hold it next to the camera here. Perfect. May take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Woo! Oh, okay. We got our Face ID set up right there. So we're gonna set up Face ID. Done. Transfer your data. No, we don't want to do an over-the-air transfer because I have a backup at home. We're not gonna do that now. So here's the phone. We've set it up as brand new. Now we're gonna take a quick tour between some things and then we'll get more in-depth tests on our in-depth review coming later next week. So, first, what can we check out? Let's check out the cameras. So, here we got the different cameras. I know you probably see me right there. And then we get the ultra wide. Wow, that is some ultra wideness right there. Take a look at me now. And then 3x zoom. Take a look at me now. I don't know what you're seeing. Then we got video. I can see that optical image stabilization. If I show you here, can you see the optical image stabilization in that video? It's pretty cool. Then we got cinematic mode. So, I am going to go right up to the camera here and demo you cinematic mode. So as you can see here, mode is there. And if I focus on something else, like maybe the background, boom, it focuses off of him. And then boom, it focuses back on him. Perfect. And now, let's try one last thing. Macro photography. That's what it should be called. Look at that. If I try and do that on my 10R, good luck.
Now,
let's take a look at this 120 hertz.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what it is.
As the naked eye, we're gonna definitely do this slow-mo test in the in-depth review. But the phone is a little bit warm right now, probably because it's doing background tasks. No, I don't want to do that right now. But this is one beautiful phone. Let's try putting it in the case. Wow. Feels even weirder in the case. It feels even weirder in the case.
Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, it does.
That's it in the case, and actually what we can do here is we can test out MagSafe. Okay, so it's not gonna reach, but I'll demo it from here. There it is. Charged. Beautiful. Why does that look so smooth? Watch this.
I don't think this is on.
It is. Oh wait, it clicked.
So,
one last thing I want to check is the software it is running. It is running iOS 15.19.A341, so that's what all the new phones were showing on the build. Yeah, I can definitely tell how fast the response time is on this. Like if I go back, yeah, it's definitely much smoother. And I'm loving this. Let's see if I take a selfie. I don't know how wide that is, but we're probably wide. That has been our unboxing video
right here.
of our iPhone 13 Pro. And we will be back in our next video for an in-depth test on everything new on this phone. We're going to test and we're going to demo everything for you.
Yes,
so we can't
but now we have to ask the question, is this worth it?
I'm loving it, but I have to say if you have a 12 or 12 Pro, I don't see the reason to upgrade. That's been our unboxing. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments down below if there's any questions you have about this phone that we can test out for you.
And we'll answer it in the next
video.
Peace.
Peace.